Hey guys, I'm Sampriti and welcome to my channel Girl with a Mole. Today we are going to see a lot of new stuff today. Basically I'm going to create a template for something. I'll show you first. So this is my second Instagram account that I recently created. Sorry for the background noise. Yeah, so this is my second Instagram page that I created a long time back, but I was not sure what to do with this. I just love this username. So yesterday on Friendship's Day, I self-announced a 100 days challenge. Do you think I'll be able to do that? So I'll give you just a gist. I won't bore you much. So in this 100 days challenge, I'll be randomly picking up questions based on dating, relationship, self-love, self-awareness, and these are the four topics that I have already mentioned here. I have this is very luckily I got this hashtag. Nobody is using this hashtag. Just have a look. I am the only one. I am the only one. Okay, so yeah, and for 4th August, it's 4th August already. It's 12 a.m. 12:30 a.m. So from tonight, 10 p.m. every day, I'm going to post questions. I'll answer the questions in the form of carousel, video, audio. I'll focus mainly on carousels for two reasons. First is I want to dig deeper into these topics, these 4 topics. Till now, all the thing that I've done in this page is mainly for based on my. I actually have archived a lot of posts. You won't be able to see most of. I've actually archived a lot of posts because they were not making any sense. So yeah, I archived them, and I wanted to explore this field a lot deeper. Until now, whatever I was doing, posting on this page was based on my perspective. So without wasting much of our time, you can just hop into this channel quest.for.happy.life. Cause quest for happy life. Just find it on Insta. I'll mention this link in the description below. So for this, I have to save my time. Obviously, I'll just design a template, and that is what exactly I'm going to show you today. I have already made a tutorial on how to make carousels. So this time it's going to be a little bit different, but we are going to do it anyway. So we'll select here, create a design. We'll click here, and I'll do custom dimensions. I like portrait one. So the width is. Tell me what the width is. Do you remember? It's 1350, and the height is sorry. This is landscape. The height is 1350 and the width is 1080. Happens. So here comes our new template. We'll wait for it to load. So I'm planning to have 3 to 4 slides. That's it. And for the same, you pick a color. And as you can see here in my this page, I am maintaining a very light vibe, coffish, skin brownish. So this is, I have not yet defined any color template for this, but for if we want to see for a long term, so 100 posts are going to make a big deal. So right now it is good. It is looking. I should archive few of the other posts. I'll have a look later on, but I think it should be a combination of this color, skin, a light orangish. I don't know. Let's see. Yellow and black has become so common on Instagram. Let's see. Carousels. Let's look for some kind of. What is this? What is this? Carousel. Nobody's using this hashtag. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. And see. It's either now if I Canva hack to save time. I'm wasting my own time. See here, it's purplish and yellowish and whitish. What is this? I should give shout out to this page, no? Arcing Infotech, Russia. Okay, I'll save this post to have a look at it later on. Black theme, I don't want to put any black theme. Gradient, no. I'll just have a look at the templates. Canva templates are the best ways for the inspiration, because here only you will find so many free templates that you don't need to look for inspiration anywhere. So what should I have made no, I wanted to document this part. So if you are thinking that you will learn any hack, you may not. So I would suggest you to increase the speed of this video. This is looking nice, but book. This is looking nice. What do you think, guys? This is the color I was looking for. What's this hex code? See, we can find the hex code like this. I clicked on the color palette, and if the color is already selected, I'll click on the new color, and you will find the hex code here, just in case you want to see this. So this is a color that I want to use. So luckily, if the color is here, I'll just add a new page. Okay, this color is nice. Nah. This background is looking just like the ones that I'm already using in this feed, right? click, click. I want to change the color theme to pink. Pink looks nice if I'm putting, this is a snippet from my Quora page. I will not reveal the sources. No. What is this? Okay, yellow I can give it a try, but I don't want to. And this is something that is matching my color vibe. I'll just copy it. And I'll just check which theme looks better. I should keep talking so that you guys don't sleep, right? This is looking nice. This is also looking. Do you want me to play? Yeah, I can you know, like make a grid of random backgrounds. So what I will do is, let's just see if, okay, this is grouped. So what we'll do is we'll just click on the dots and we'll ungroup it, so that I just want this conversation. Canva, I hate you sometimes. And I'll paste it here. I controlled it and I pasted it just to check. Yuck, it looks yuck. Okay, so now this color is looking pretty normal. Because I just don't want to waste a lot of my time, and somehow I am already going to improvise it. So let's just not. This is looking light, very light-hearted, and this is also looking better. Both are looking nice, right? Do you want me to play around colors a little bit more? Canva is very pretty, you know, like today yesterday it's 12 a.m. now, so they are updating its own templates based on the festivals. So that's why I love to just have a look around the templates, and if I find something just like for an inspiration, that's nice. So that's how you look for inspirations. That's all for like how to get inspiration. If I can make a video out of this, like how to get inspiration from Canva, I'll name this file as quest for happy life, and this is going to be just a template. So that is why the important things that I'm going to mention on the first page is day, which day it is. So I'll copy some. No, I'll pick some element here. Wait, now I'm going to play with some elements. So the gradients are there, so we can always play with the gradients to make our effects, our feet look cool. And this is how it's going to be. No. I don't know which one. Like, okay, why don't we? Okay, I'll pick this one. This is my all-time favorite. So I'll pick this one. I'll change its color. Okay, and let's see what we can do around this. We can always convert a gradient into a solid color. So what I'll do is, I'm just playing around. That's what I do with Canva initially when a template is not set. So we guys just need to play around the elements, and you know, after I post this video, no, I'll take you to a Canva tour. I'll take you to the Canva tour so that you understand the UI, how the platform looks like. Sorry if I get distracted. I'm not used to talk to my own self. See, looks good, huh? Never mind, I'll just change the font. Okay, the size is too much. Now for this is something that I face. I don't know if you guys can relate to it. If I see to a design for a very long time, no, I get bored of it. Like now I'm getting bored of it. I want to make changes now. Sorry guys, I have to delete that element. The day is there, and now it's time for simplicity at its best. It's time for position. Where is my table? It's okay. I'll just forward. Got it? Did you relate what I did? This is something that's going to stay for my next 100 posts. Maybe just the colors will change, and I am someone who gets bored easily. But wait. Sorry for disappearing from the frame sometimes. When I am into this designing mood, I tend to incline somewhat. Lock कर दिया जाए. Lock meaning, if I select this, I don't want this element to move anywhere. So here is this lock icon. I just click it, and it's locked. That's it. Now, no matter how much I try to play with it, see, the day one is not locked. That's why it got distracted. And I think we can. I think I said. So guys, this is locked, day one. So like when I'll post tomorrow something, I just need to unlock it, and I'll just change the number. That's it. So I have nothing ready yet, so the question will be somewhere here. And what else can I play around with this? I should have planned something, but I like impromptu, like this way. This is real documentation. I never did before documenting and stuff. I'll just flip it. So why I'm not explaining you this designing is because I also don't know what I am doing. So here is something that I want to do. I'll put a hashtag here to understand what I am doing, like to learn about carousals and stuff. You need to hop onto my original Insta page, sampritiroy.blog. Self-promotion. What is this behavior Canva? For certain reasons I want to change the font. I'm not too picky, but when it comes to something that I'm doing, they'll say that I might want to do, make the appearance look. Beleza is one of my favorite fonts. Nah. Exert. What is this font? No, I should go with Beleza, right? Pretty. And this spacing, I'll give letter spacing of around 50 or 100. You should check out my IGTV video where I've mentioned about this. I've described this challenge. By the way, if you are someone who is having any relationship queries, you can shoot me on DM there. I'll try to solve it out. I'm not a coach or anything, but as a friend, I'm just thinking. Okay. And that stays between us, because I'm not going to disclose the names ever. Don't do that. Documenting something is fun, because I know my camera here, this guy is recording me, and I might look a bit sleepy, but just to let you know, I'm just looking sleepy. I'm not feeling sleepy, I'm just looking sleepy. Okay, so randomly a question just came to my mind, that since I'm going to answer things based on dating, relationship, self-awareness and self-love, why not I just create a question so that it's easy for you to understand why self-love is important. This is something that's going to be in the first fit. Okay guys, I can teach you something. Text shadow. I'll just control C this text and control V, and I'll just change its shadow, and I'll just move it backward, and I'll just play around just the way you want the shadow to be. That's it. I'll zoom in for you. See how it looks. So just the way you want it. I can play around the fonts as well. Why self-love is important? I don't know, like my mind is not working right now. I don't know, like there are lots of things going in my mind, especially with this camera going on. So yeah, this is something how the cover will look like. This is for day 2, and you'll see me playing around this design. I am planning to keep this as it is, because how it will look when I write here 100, and I will check that out. See. It's looking nice. Simplicity at its best. I want to keep this stuff very, very minimal. So that's how the challenge is going to start. The cover pic is ready. I'll just copy it. I'll just remove it. I'll show you what I'm gonna do in this page. Just in case if I'm planning to put up a video answer, that's why it's not like any of my normal carousals. If I am going to put up a answer, I'll put up something that's very similar to any of these elements. the carousels that I've designed till date, it's not going to be anything similar to that. It's going to be very, very normal, because this page is not for graphic designing and content creation. This is just me putting out my perspective, because I'm feeling that I should explore this field more. I just got that kick. So it is going to be uploaded some. No, I won't use this one. I'll use the grid, and I'll cover it according to the borders. See, a pink margin is appearing now, so that is how the padding is done, just for the margin, just in case you need it. So here I'll upload my video. Do I have any videos right now? I don't know if oh, that's me. I don't know if I have any video here. Okay, here is my and in his conversation. No, I don't think I have any video right now. Okay, my hard drive is not coming. So yeah, that's how I'm going to post this. I'll download them separately, so this will save my time of cutting it, like the one that I did in my first video. It will save that time too, and I'm sorry if you found this video boring. This is just for my documentation. So you can see the time, it's 1 a.m. How much time did it take? And I've not done much of the designing as well, but I'm sure, I'm damn sure that I won't post it so blankly. I'll play with certain images here, right? So we'll see. And here will be a 45 to 50 seconds of answer clip, and I'll plan a page 3 too, where this is going to be remain constant. Here I will write about the 100 days 100 queries challenge, something like, hey guys, I'm doing this challenge, so just show your support, share this post as much as you can, so this challenge reaches to as many people as possible. That's it. I'm done with the documentation, and basic template is done. The images will keep changing according to the questions. So thank you guys, because of you I got the idea of first question. That's how the queries are gonna be. I'll delete this, I don't need it anymore. So this is something that is going to be for 3 slides. It depends. If someday I feel like creating carousels, I'll do that. Let's see. You'll find everything on this page starting from 4th of August. That's today, 10 p.m. onwards every day. Okay, I'll upload this video on YouTube, right? So I'll design a YouTube cover pic tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. Not tomorrow, today. I'll post the video also. Let's see. Bye. I love you.